In this short TExtract indexing tutorial, I will show how to efficiently add initials to person names. The initial index often contains surnames without initials or first names. It is easy to add initials if they are present in the text. This document contains a bibliography that has author names with initials. The bibliography has been excluded from the formatted index, so it is shown in gray. I will edit the entry Peters. In the Context View panel, I use Find Initials and Apply. The name occurs 7 times. There are 3 occurrences with initials. There is just one version, so the initials have been added to all occurrences. I go back to the Index View panel and preview the formatted entry. Now let's do the entry Campbell. This occurs 21 times. I see that there are 3 different Campbells. Now the initials have been added only to the 4 occurrences in the bibliography. The history list shows which initials have been applied. I will temporarily add the year numbers to simplify identification of the occurrences. I delete redundant items from the history list. I can now reapply these edits to the other occurrences in the text. This is the first occurrence. It is from 1996, so let's apply Campbell J. Navigating, I see that the next group of occurrences is all for Campbell FK from 2009. I select the text containing these occurrences in the reference bar using click and shift plus click. Then I apply Campbell FK. This edit is applied to the selected occurrences. Navigating down, I see that the remaining occurrences are all for Campbell J. from 1996 and 2003. I select the text containing these occurrences and apply Campbell J. This edit is applied to the selected occurrences. I go back to the Index View panel. I merge the entries for Campbell J and remove the year numbers. Apparently Campbell A occurs only in the bibliography, so I will remove that. These are the formatted entries. Thank you for watching. For more information, please see TExtract.com.